Hello lovely YouTube family, and welcome back to another highly informative video. And in today's video we're going to be reviewing one of the best e-commerce sites out there, generally known for very good affiliate marketing program as well as a very good platforms of selling several products, and it's none other than ClickBank. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys all you need to know about ClickBank in terms of affiliate marketing, in terms of selling products, or in fact just teaching people about the program itself. And now with all this, at the end of the day, you're able to actually generate a whole lot of income, as we already have several reviews of so many people on the platforms with high level of income. And yeah, we're going to be reviewing it right from the very start to how you can actually start earning with ClickBank. So yeah, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe if you're totally new. Hey guys, so to get started, all you want to do is to head to the site clickbank.com, and once you've done that, you'll be brought to this main page, as you guys can see on the screen right now. So like I said, we're going to be reviewing every single thing we all need to know about ClickBank. And now what makes ClickBank special compared to other e-commerce sites is the fact that they do pay on time. Like, they do pay a whole lot and on time compared to other some other affiliate programs out there or some other e-commerce sites out there. And then they have this very good reliable tracking of your product. As you guys can see over here, we have find my order. Okay, in case you're looking for your order, whatever order you place, you can actually just track it over here. And then another special thing I love about ClickBank is the fact that they do educate their users time to time. In fact, when you're even registering for affiliate marketing, which I'm going to be showing you guys, you'll be shown a video about the entire process, how you can actually start how you can actually start earning, and all you need to know in order to get that clicks. ClickBank actually explained every single thing for you. And also the same thing applies to selling, and also how you can learn. As you guys can see, this is how you can actually learn. In case you don't even understand anything about ClickBank, you can as well just come here. They already provided all the resources you need. So yeah, let's scroll down. We have the affiliate program over here. We have sellers over here. So affiliates choose ClickBank because of our high converting affiliate offers. And yeah, that's another special thing about ClickBank. In terms of commissions, they pay a whole lot higher compared to some other affiliate programs. Okay, on time payments, industry leading education, and then if you want to get started, you just want to click over here for affiliate marketing. And same thing applies to selling. In case you have a product, it could be physical products, digital product, whatever type of product, you just want to head over here. And then we have sellers. You just want to click on sellers, start here. Okay, so ClickBank offers powerful e-commerce and affiliate management solutions for thousands of product owners, businesses, and brands looking to scale their products online. Okay, so in case you want to use ClickBank to sell, like I said, we have a whole billions of users using ClickBank. In case you want to sell your products to whatever country you want, you can as well just come here to click on our sellers start here. But then let's scroll down and see 5 million plus people trust ClickBank. As you can see, we have the sponsors over here, and then monetize your traffic in terms of affiliate marketing. Okay, become an affiliate. Over 100,000 affiliates worldwide choose ClickBank as the preferred marketplace. Okay, like I said earlier on, guys, a whole lot of people choose ClickBank because of the fact that they do pay on time, one, and they also ensure that they teach you all you need to know in order to get traffic, in order to get clicks, in order to get people to actually buy through your affiliate link. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've paid over $6.2 billion in commission. Wow, that's actually a whole lot of money. Okay, we have reliable payments over here, accurate tracking, top performing offers, dedicated support, which is always very needed. Okay, and then high quality product, training and education start here. All right, so if you scroll down, you guys can see some of the resources. Like I said, you don't need to go you don't need to pay money. That's one thing I do complain about, especially when I hear friends or family members or people I just know saying they paid money for to learn a particular affiliate program. Now you don't need to do that. You actually don't need to do that. It's actually very simple. And in case of a ClickBank, you just want to come here and then you want to learn it for free, which I'm actually already doing for you guys right now. You just want to click on this and then you watch watch the video and learn all you need to know in just a video. Okay, and then as you guys can see, we have Spark is a trusted collection of courses, community, and tools to help you learn affiliate marketing. You don't need to pay any money. All right, and then we have ClickBank top offers. ClickBank provides a whole lot of offers, a whole lot of high selling products for you to actually become an affiliate marketer for. And then we have how ClickBank works. In case you want to learn more about ClickBank, you can actually just come here and then click on learn more, and then you read every single thing you need to know. And then this is in terms of selling a product. Okay, the first one here was basically on affiliate marketing, and then the second one over here is on selling products. Okay, so whether you're an established brand or a new entrepreneur with a big goal, ClickBank will give you the tools and support you need seamlessly scale online. So yeah, same thing applies to you selling products. As you guys can see over here, affiliate marketplace, it gives you that means of meeting several affiliate marketers to help you promote your products. You can see ClickBank actually made a whole lot of things easier here on their e-commerce site. And then we have compliance and risk, we have rich data analytics. In case you want to track out those that are entering your site to buy things, you can as well analyze it here on ClickBank. And then once we scroll down, you can see popular seller resources. Okay, in case you want to learn more about selling, how to actually build your selling profile or your brand on ClickBank, you can as well come here and then learn it. You do not need to pay any money to any single person. Okay, so you just want to come here and then click on learn more, whatever particular thing you're interested in over here. In terms of integration, in terms of guidance, checklist, you just want to come here and then learn it. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you can see they explain all you need to know about Spark. Spark is actually the ones controlling ClickBank. Okay, so Spark is a trusted collection of courses, community, and tools to help you learn affiliate marketing, how to use ClickBank, and how to drive traffic in order to kickstart your efforts to make money online. Okay, so they're basically showing you all you need to know. This is why ClickBank is actually one of the best, because they ensure that they build that trust in you. They ensure that they show you all you need to know, and they also ensure that they do this consistently. Okay, so in case you want to learn more, you just want to click on learn more over here, and then once you scroll down, you can see the resources, affiliate foundations. In case you're ready, in case you want to start affiliate marketing with a ClickBank, you can as well just come here and then click on learn more. And in case of a landing page lessons, you can as well come here. Okay, and then in case you need a course to understand all you want about affiliate marketing, it's also provided over here. And then this is their community, in case you want to find people just like you looking for how to grow their affiliate marketing program or how to grow their product on ClickBank. You can as well join over here. All right, and once you scroll down, you can see more features about ClickBank. Okay, so worldwide leader in affiliate marketing and e-commerce growth. Okay, ClickBank, your company is in good company. The ClickBank platforms empowers entrepreneurs and brands across the globe to grow, scale, and reach customers like never before. We've paid out more than $6.2 billion over the last 25 plus years. As you guys can see, ClickBank is not just a new e-commerce site. This is a site that has been running this for a whole lot of years. So there's no need to get worried about certain things. They're actually very trusted and among the top best e-commerce sites in the entire globe. So you guys can see in over 190 countries for over 25 years with over $6.2 billion paid. Wow. And then what people say about ClickBank, you guys can see the reviews. Michael Curtis, since joining ClickBank, I've experienced nothing but the best. My earnings are never late and my products for sale have improved a lot over the years. As you guys can see, these are people just like you, but these are people that already, they've experienced using ClickBank already. So as you guys can see, ClickBank is actually very trusted, and with ClickBank, you can earn a whole lot. Now we have the FAQ over here, frequently asked questions. How do I get started as an affiliate on ClickBank? This is it over here. All you want to do is to click on this over here, although you can just scroll up and do the same thing, but then you can do it from here in the FAQ as well. And then how do I start selling? The same thing, you have the link over here. And how does ClickBank work? Okay, So this is basically how ClickBank works. In case you want to learn more about it, just click on this link over here. Okay, let's just click on it so we can show you guys. So how does ClickBank work? This is it over here. It's an e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace. In plain English, think of ClickBank as an intermediary between the end customer and the product owner, just like an affiliate marketer. It's basically the same thing. Okay, same thing applies to selling. And then in terms of commissions, which is basically what you earn, you can as well learn more about it over here. As you guys can see, there's an example over here. Customer purchases a health supplement product listed through ClickBank of a total of $100, which includes dynamically generated sales tax and shipping charges. Okay, so ClickBank takes a fee of 7.5% plus $1. Okay, that's from that particular price, and then bringing the total funds to like $91.5. Then ClickBank remits $6 for taxes and shipping, bringing the remaining funds to $85. Okay, now the affiliate fees agreed upon 65% commission from that $85.5. Just imagine that, 65% commission. So in summary, the affiliate marketer is actually going to go home with $55.58, and then the seller is just going to go with $29.9. Wow, that's actually a lot for an affiliate marketer. Okay, so as you guys can see how it works for affiliates, it has been explained. Every single thing you need to know has been explained here. So you want to generate traffic. When they talk about traffic simply means how do you want to get people to actually click on that link. It could be through your YouTube channel, it could be through social media, Instagram, TikTok, whatever means. It could be through your website or whatever thing it's you can actually get people through. Okay, so that's basically what the traffic is about. It could be through paid advertisement, anything. And then you want to choose the offer, create tracking link, and then promote product, and then get paid. Okay, so once someone actually clicks on it and buys through your affiliate link, you get paid with the commission. So that's basically how it works in terms of affiliate marketing. So let's go back to the home page. Okay, and now this is how you want to get started. Okay, this is how you want to get started. All you want to do in terms of becoming an affiliate marketer is to click on affiliate, start here, and then it's just going to load and then start asking you a series of questions. Okay, you want to go for, I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate marketer. Sounds good. And then in case you're totally new, you just want to go for no, I'm just getting started. Or in case you're used to affiliate marketing, I know I've explained a whole lot of affiliate programs here on the channel. In case you started one of them, you can as well just go for yes, I've promoted but non-ClickBank. Okay, or it's all the same thing. Even if you click no, yes, whatever, it's still the same thing. Okay, and then you can just select a low one. You can select what you'd like to promote. Let's just go for women's health and beauty, and then you can just select the random thing over here. It all doesn't really matter. Okay, and then okay, and then let's go for the United States or others, and then earn extra income, whatever your aim is. And do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote to? In case you have a social media platform like a TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube channel, website, but in case you don't have, it doesn't really matter still. But let's just say we don't have anything, so let's just go for no. Okay, and then you just want to select anywhere you plan on generating the traffic. Like I said earlier on, this is so many ways you can actually generate traffic. So let's just say we want to go for Pinterest. All right, and then we can just click on none over here. Okay, so now which best describes why you selected none. Okay, let's just say I don't know any of the products. All right, so okay, but then at the end of the day, guys, whatever you select, it's all the same ending, it's all the same thing, doesn't really mean any single thing. Okay, so how did you hear about ClickBank? Let's just say YouTube, and then you want to click on okay, and then you want to insert your email address over here. So I'm going to insert my tutorial email address over here. You basically want to insert your own email address, okay, in case you're getting started, in case you're really serious about it. All right, and then once you're done with that, as I told you guys earlier on, ClickBank likes to educate you. They like to ensure that you understand what you're about to do. They like to ensure that yes, you really know how to go about it. So that's why they inserted a video for you to actually watch. So you just want to click on watch the video. Okay, So once you click on watch the video, it's actually going to take you to the page to watch the video. Every single thing you need to know about the affiliate marketing. Yeah, I already watched it then. So yeah, every single thing you need to know about the video from the start to the very end. So you're going to watch it. So as you guys can see,
I want to show you how to get started as an affiliate marketer and make your.
So that's basically what I'm talking about. They like to ensure that yes, you understand every single thing you're doing. But yeah, once you're done watching the video, in order to have a better understanding, you want to scroll down here. As you guys can see, we have a lot of pricing over here. But then in case you don't want to pay any single thing, you just want to start afresh, just scroll down to the end and then you want to come to no thanks, I choose to pass on this offer. Okay, so you want to click on that, and then once you clicked on that, yeah, once you clicked on that, you'll be taken to the page to sign up. But then you need to complete the video. That's the thing, you need to complete the video before you can proceed. So once you complete the video, you'll be able to go to the sign up page and then just fill in your details or email address, and then you get started with the affiliate marketing. Okay, and if it's for selling, it's basically the same thing. Okay, let's say you want to sell. Let's scroll down to home, and then in case you want to sell, you just want to come here, seller starts here. Okay, you're also going to answer a series of questions. Okay, so let's say I want to sell, I have a product I want to sell, and then I get it, let's continue. Like I said earlier on, we have a whole lot of tutorial videos over here. So you're also going to have to watch this particular one.
Hey, real quick, I just want to show you what a direct response offer looks like.
But in case you're good, you don't want to watch it, you can as well just go for I get it. Let's continue. Okay, and then which best describes your offer, already selling it, but exploring the affiliate channel. Whatever one you want to go for is all the same thing. Let's just go for I'm already selling an order affiliate program. So now the next one here is what best describes your experience level with direct response and copyright. Let's just go for 8. And then does your business provide a service or product? If it's a product like a digital product, let's say it's an ebook or clothing and things like that, you want to go for product. If it's service, for example, cleaning and real estate, let's just say it's a digital and physical product. Okay, and then let's go for physical or digital. Let's go for digital over here. So it all depends on your whatever you want to sell. You just want to ensure you're answering the question based on what you want to sell on ClickBank. All right, and then let's go for we sell on different this. Okay, and then do you currently sell on Shopify? In case you have a Shopify account, you can go for yes. I actually have a Shopify e-commerce store, so I can just go for yes. But then what scenarios? Let's go for no. Okay, and then what is the primary challenge you're hoping to solve by selling a ClickBank? Okay, whatever thing you want to select, you can as well just go for finding affiliates. All right, and then okay, and then what's your annual revenue from this business? Let's just go for the minimum over here, and then this is where you want to insert your page that you're selling something. In case you have a website, in case you don't have a website, you have a social media page, you can as well paste the link over here. Okay, but as for me, I'm gonna put in my website. I'm gonna put in my website, which is shoptrendyverse.com. Okay, and then okay, all right, so what country are you located in? You can as well go for others in case your country is not here. And then what exactly do you want to get? Let's just go for no over here, and then let's go for YouTube. As you guys can see, it's basically the same questions. You can ask you if it's an affiliate marketer or you want to sell. Okay, and then just want to complete this one, just want to click on okay, and then you want to insert your answer, and then you also want to insert your email. It's all the same thing. By the end of the day, guys, you'll be taken to the sign up page where you want to insert your details to in order to continue. All right, and yeah, please note, do not pay any single money. You don't need to pay any single money for learning this from other people outside. I know there are a lot of people running programs like I'm going to teach you ClickBank. For this you have to pay this money and things like that. You can actually learn it for free, as I'm showing you guys right now. So yeah, guys, as you all have learned in today's video, ClickBank is actually a very, very good option in case you're considering starting an affiliate marketing brand, or you want to sell your product. It all depends, because they actually have a whole lot of visitors every single minute, every single day. And then this is actually a platform you want to utilize to the very best, and then from all this you can actually start making your money. Okay, but then you want to learn the basic, and the good thing, like I said earlier on, is fees. ClickBank already explained every single thing you need to know from the start to how you can actually start making the money. So yeah, it's very easy. You don't need to worry about any single thing. You don't need to pay a lot of people out there to learn this. This is actually very easy, and it has been explained explained in high details. Okay, so yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. You surely learned a whole lot from today's video, and if you have an experience already with ClickBank, make sure to drop a comment down below, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and also drop a like on today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.